Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this recipe, I wanted to try out my new Dutch oven from my new pot set. That being said, I figured why not try a whole chicken and sort of do it as a one pot recipe. So if you're interested in more, stay tuned. To season our chicken, we're going to start by combining the ingredients. I'm starting off with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning and adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bowl. Next, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning salt, half a tablespoon of ground black pepper, and then I'm going to give this a quick mix and combine everything together. So now, taking the mixture, we're just going to rub that all over the chicken. Don't forget to season inside the chicken cavity, ensuring that you have flavor everywhere. Next, I'm stuffing the chicken cavity with half of the apple, half the onion, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. As I stuff the cavity, I layer in each ingredient. So apples, then onions, then garlic, and repeat. Next, you want to truss the chicken with some twine, making sure that the wings and the legs are tucked close to the body. In another mixing bowl, you want to combine your remaining ingredients. So potatoes, apples, carrots, onion, garlic, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and the juice from half a lemon. And you want to toss that until it's all combined. Next, we're going to evenly spread the vegetables in the Dutch oven. And then place the whole chicken on top. Then you're going to cover this and roast for 30 minutes. Next, you'll remove the lid and continue to cook for another 30 minutes. I'm adding a meat thermometer to the chicken so that when the chicken breast reaches 165, I can remove it and make sure it's not overcooked. Once the chicken's done, if you want to get extra crispy skin, you can set your oven to broil on high and let the chicken cook for another 5 minutes. You can also brush some melted butter over the skin to help. Then you want to remove the Dutch oven from the oven and let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes before serving the chicken. The best part about this is that it's a one-pot recipe, so now all of your vegetables that you serve on the side will have all the flavoring of your chicken. Alright guys, that's a wrap on this recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see videos just like this one, head on over to my channel, check out the latest and greatest, and until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.